Cheers!
Oh no, why is the machine not working?
Where is my drinks? I'm so thirsty.
I'm sorry. Please kindly wait a minute.
What is happening? Oh no.
Please stay calm.
Unbelievable.
I'll rate your restaurant 1 star.
1 star.
That's terrible. Rate 1 star.
Oh no.
The customers all gone.
I have an idea to attract customers.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Several days later.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.
I'd like to order 1 Coke and 1 cheeseburger.
Okay.
How was a cheeseburger made? McDonald's Burger Factory. 1 bottom bun. 1 beef patty. 1 cheese. 1, 2, 3 tomato. 1 top bun. Cheeseburger done.
Your cheeseburger is ready.
Thank you.
How to build the burger factory. The conveyor. Step 1. Build the conveyor. Step 2. Testing. The topping area. Step 1. Build the topping area. Step 2. Testing. Step 3. Set up. Zone 1. Zone 2. Zone 3.
I'd like 1 hamburger.
Okay. I'd like 1 Big Mac. Okay.
1 bottom bun. 1 lettuce. 1 ham. 1 cheese. 1 more ham. 1, 2, 3 bell putter. 1 top bun.
Your hamburger is ready.
Thank you.
1 bottom bun. 1 lettuce. 1 beef patty. 1 cheese. 1 more bottom bun. 1 more lettuce, 1 more beef patty, 1 more cheese, 1, 2, 3 tomato, 1 top bun.
Here is your Big Mac. Enjoy your meal. How much farther until we arrive? I'm thirsty. Let's take a rest. So tired. My butt. Are you okay? We shall rest a while.
It's been a long time, haha. Tell me your wishes.
I wish we had something to drink.
Your wish is my command.
That's great. Hey, don't run. So amazing. I want to touch it. What is this? Marvelous. I've never seen anything big like this. What are those?
It is a juice vending machine.
Who is that idiot?
Let me show you. Here is your water.
I love it.
Oh, it's tap water.
We don't like tap water. We wish for some juice.
Your wish is my command. Watermelon, orange, kiwi, blueberry.
This is the finest drink I have ever tasted. My stomach is in great distress. I wish I had a toilet now. A toilet, please.
Your wish is my command.
This is what we need. Great. Yay,
Oh.
next is my turn.
Me first. Hurry up.
I'm done. It's my
My
turn.
turn.
Hey, I'm not yet done.
I have fulfilled your 3 wishes. Farewell.
Oh no, my toilet.
How to build the juice vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Step 3. Connect the pump to a machine. Huh, haven't run out of ingredients yet. Oh no, ingredients for my ice cream. What should I do now? Aha, I'm saved.
Milk. Sugar.
Yummy, yummy. Yellow ice cream.
Kindly wait.
So cool.
I want it.
Ice cream.
I guess it's banana flavor.
Haha, that's right.
I want a red ice cream.
Green, please.
Okay.
Maybe strawberry.
No, it's watermelon flavor.
The apple ice cream.
I'm sure this ice cream is made from kiwi.
Jack is right twice.
Yeah, I win.
Brr, I've never been right.
How to build the ice cream machine. Mixer zone. Push zone. Build the mixer zone. Step 1. Build a mixer blade. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Testing a mixer blade. Build the push zone. Step 1. Build a patong. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly.